In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize and display your Confluence page tree. Let's start by opening the Confluence space where your page tree lives. The page tree is that expandable list in the space sidebar, and it's the backbone of your content structure. Head into the right space so any changes you make land exactly where your team expects to find them. Next, decide whether you're creating something new or updating what's already there. If you need a new page, click Create and give it a clear, descriptive title to make it easy to find later. If you're refining an existing bond, open it from the sidebar. Either way works. The key is making sure each page sits in the right spot in the hierarchy. Now, place page under the correct parent page. When creating a new page, check the location section to choose the parent. If the page already exists, you can move it. Use the sidebar to find it, then reposition it so it nests logically under the correct parent. Keeping a clean hierarchy helps everyone browse and search with confidence. If the location isn't quite right, you can drag and drop the page in the sidebar, grab the page and move it up, down, or into a different section. You'll see visual cues that show whether you're placing it as a sibling or as a child. If drag and drop isn't available, it may be due to permissions, so just double check you have edit rights in the space. To show a page tree inside a page, add the children display or page tree macro. While editing a page, insert the macro and choose the parent page you want to display. The children display macro is great for listing direct child pages with options like depth and sorting. The page tree macro provides a collapsible tree view that mirrors the sidebar. Customize settings like the starting page, depth, and whether to show expand or collapse options so your readers can scan or drill down as needed. Take a moment to adjust the page order or hierarchy until it mirrors how your team thinks about the content. Group related pages together, order them from general to specific, and keep names consistent so the structure remains intuitive over time. When you're done, publish your changes, then refresh the space to confirm your page appears exactly where you expect in the page tree. If you added a macro, preview or reload the page to make sure it renders correctly. With these steps, your Confluence space will be easier to navigate, easier to maintain, and far more helpful for everyone who relies on it.